welcome back to another video. We have something very special today, guys. The GP3 does not have the Harman Kardon system from BMW MINI. What we have here today is a very simple fix. We have Bavsound aftermarket speaker system for the doors and the subwoofers on the bottom of the seats. Let's do an unboxing video and stay tuned for the new series of going ahead and installing this amazing Bavsound sound system on the car. Now let's get this thing open. Alright, so we have some paperwork right here. We don't need that. Let's just go ahead and get that out of here. Let's get to the good stuff. Ooh, this weighs more than I thought. Jesus Christ. Oh, look at that. We got amazing, and I mean amazing packaging on this. Look at this. 8-inch ghost underseat woofers. Music washes away from the soul, the dust of everyday life. By that guy. Alright guys. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Come here. The box was made from recycled content. Previously reused and recycled box and OEM speakers. That's so freaking cool. Alright guys. Let's continue this. So we got some little more tape here. Alrighty. They make audio systems for BMW and for Minis, obviously. As you guys know, Minis are BMWs. We got some instructions here. Congratulations, you've just upgraded to the world's best BMW subwoofer system. A few things you'll need to read. So let's put this to the side as well. And, oh my God. Dude, look at this. Hold on. Can I? Oh no, it's inside. Okay. We'll get more footage of this once we install it. But this thing is heavy. This thing is really heavy. That's how you know it's good quality. You got a nice metal finish to it. You got their logo again here. Really nice. You're not gonna see this unless you're installing it or unless you take your seats out. But this looks amazing. So let's go ahead, put this away, and let's look at the door speakers. Alright, here we got something they sent us. The toolkit, I believe. Ooh. Fancy. This thing is heavy. What in the world is in here? What company has that for their own speaker system install? They have an installation kit for it. Wow. What? That's so cool. Alright guys, so here we got the door speakers. Very simple. Let's just go ahead and take one of these out. Oh wow, they're heavy. These things are heavy. They feel really good quality. The only thing that is left to do now is to install this. So please, stay tuned for the next video.